you are 16 or older, you can vote in May's elections. Oh, come on! I need magic! I need change! Hopeless! Hello, Ffion here. I have very important message for you all. So listen up. Hang on, did you send this? If you feel left out of decision making and your voice isn't heard, you don't need a genie to grant you 3 wishes, because times are changing and your wishes are granted. If you are 16 or older, you can vote in May's elections. So if you want things to go in a different direction, get registered by 14th April, get voting on 5th of May and be part of this election. It's easy, it takes 5 minutes of your time. Do it because you can do it.